Hey guys, Corpse here, just bringing you a quick little video on the GTA Garage system. I am not going to go over every small little nitpick of this, but I do want to point out, just do a quick demo of this. Um, this script right here was designed mostly for myself. I was just tired of not knowing what cars I own and where. I wanted a quick, easy search system. I also wanted to make sure if I had any duplicates or anything, I would know about it. And this definitely did get me back about $11 million, 10 to $11 million. So that tells you I had spent extra 10 to 22 million that I did not need to spend. So yeah, that's what this system was for, and I figured other people would like something like this, so uh, I ended up making it the way it is now. If you want to know more info about the script, you can click the info button right here, and that'll bring you right to here. And I go over everything from the garage file formatting to does this system use cookies, how to use the system, and a quick little thing about the system. Um, so as you can see, you can toggle right here and see all your vehicles. If we scroll down, you'll see that this one's highlighted. It's because I have two of them. Um, this one just is lucky because I have them both in the same garage. That was on purpose. But if you go down here, you'll see I have Free Crawler 2 that shows in my arcade. And my other one I have is in my arena workshop right here, number 6. And it only highlights the duplicates. So the second, third, fourth, it will not highlight the first one. Tornado, I have multiple of those. But if you come up here and just say, do a search for Jesser, and it is not case sensitive, you can do a search. You'll see that I have the Jester. I have one of these. It's in my tinsel apartment. Jester race car. I have this one in the office garage one. My Jester Classic in the auto shop, and my Drift Jester RR. This one's in the Eclipse Boulevard Garage one B4. One thing some people may wonder is why do I not have a drop down of a list of all the garages, instead have you manually type them? Twofold. One, this is not strictly for GTA 5. This could be used for just say GTA 6 when it comes out. So I didn't want to limit that way. Secondly, I know people that don't call certain buildings by what they're called inside the mechanic when you call the mechanic. So I wanted to make it so they could enter whatever they call the building. You can name it whatever. Hell, you can even add like a little notation saying this is your drift vehicles. Like for me, I know my drift vehicles are in the Eclipse Boulevard garage before, but I could add a little notation right here saying that was before. Um, just to let you know, there is no way to edit names unless if you go into the text file, which here, let's drag this over. If I wanted to just say this is my drift vehicles, I could do this. I save that. I come up here, choose file, go to GTA 5 garages, click that, submit. And now I scroll down, you'll see right here, Eclipse Boulevard Garage B4 Drift. So I know these are my drift vehicles. So that is why the garage name is that. Now you may say, what about the cars? Same reason. For GTA, just say GTA 6 or other versions of GTA, it allows you to put in whatever custom name you want and location. Heck, if there's even a game that has like garages and vehicles like this, and you want to use this for that, you can. So it's all name whatever you want. Whenever you create a garage, it gets right into the text file. It will show up in here. So like if I scroll down, you'll see drift right there. There's a file format that you're going to want to watch out for. So, and not to mess around with. And that's all inside the info in this section. I talk about how these markups are and why they are so specific. like you wouldn't want to do Eclipse Tower, comma 5 dash dash um drift dash dash. No, you don't want to do that. These are significant, and it's all explained inside there. So let's head back. Um, and it's just very simple to use. No, like if you do any changes before you close out the system, make sure you create file and then download the garage. And the reason why I say that is the system works on cookies. Some people have their browsers delete cookies every day. Some people have their browsers delete every time they close their browsers. Other people may have a program that cleans the junk off your computer, and it will also clear any cookies. I know some people hear cookies and they think, oh, tracking, tracking, all because of advertisements that are being put on TV. You understand? Those advertisements are designed to scare you. Not all cookies are bad. Most of them are, if you go to any website, like if I go to just say YouTube, hey, I'm still logged in. Why is that? Because of cookies. I don't have to keep logging in every time. Cookies store that information. So when you go back to that place, you're still logged in or whatnot. So, like what you hear on TV, take that with a grain of salt. I'll just leave it at that. Um, don't believe me, do your own search on that. But yeah, so here's a quick example of how you would create a new one. So we come to headshotdomain.net/GTA dash garages, and we start off with an empty thing. So let's do a new garage one, and we're going to say there's 10 vehicles. Create. New car garage 2. Let's set this one as 20. Create. And let's do new car garage 3. Set that as 10. Create. Okay, so first thing I want to mention is this drop down of numbers. If you need any additional numbers to be added into this array, let me know. I will add it in. Just make sure you tell me why. Like a good example is I have a large garage in GTA, but you're saying it only holds 10 cars or 10 vehicles, which I am going to change this to say vehicles, but right now it says max cars. But in reality, it holds 10 cars, 3 bicycles. So I want that 13. I want 13 added. Okay, great. 13's added. So give me a reason why. Um, I have no problem adding them in. I just want reasons, not can you add 42? Why? I like that number. No. Yeah, I don't have 42, but that would be funny. Um, but yeah, that's how you create garages. And now to add a car, let's call this one car 1, and we'll add this to car garage, new car garage 2. Now let's create a car 2, and let's put that in garage 1. Car 3, let's guess. Where do you want this? Let's put it in garage 1. Uh, car 4, we'll put that in garage 3. Car 3, we'll put that in 2. Actually, let's put that in 3 too. Oops, add car. There we go. So we've done all that. Now we can toggle all. You'll see that car 3 is highlighted because it's the second iteration. We have a new garage 1, but we also have it in new garage 3. Just say, oh, I removed it from new garage 1 and put in new garage 3, and that's why it's there. All you do is you hit the X, and then we can hit the toggle. You'll see it's no longer highlighted. That's how vehicles are added. I know when I was talking about designing this thing, I wanted the drag and drop system using Ajax, but the problem is there's no database. If I was going to write this with a database where you had to log in, create a user, and all that type of stuff, then yes, drag and drop would be easy. Um, but as of now, I don't know how to do it with a text file and how I have the system. I will look it up. I will check out different things. New features and new changes may or will come. But for the most part, it's going to function the same, look the same. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Again, the URL is headshotdomain.net/GTA garages. Eventually, I may release this script for other people to use on their website, but for now, here it is. So enjoy. Talk to you later.